Coco Peat. What is Coco Peat? Learn about planting in Coco Peat media. You have ever opened a coconut and noticed the fiber-like and stringy interior? That is the basis for Coco Peat. What is Coco Peat and what is its purpose? It is used in planting and comes in several forms. Coco Peat for plants is also known as coir. It is widely available and a traditional liner for wire baskets. Coco Peat soil is made from the pith inside a coconut husk. It is naturally antifungal, making it an excellent choice to start seed, but it is also used in